Hi, my name is Vlad.K and here is my soft enamel pin builder Photoshop extension application. Now let's see what the app can do. So how it works? Just install the application, then launch it. Then go to Photoshop and start crafting your enamel pins right away. Choose the image type option. Import your image into Photoshop. Select necessary areas like contour, stroke and fill shapes, and all this with the help of Magic Wizard. And when you've prepared your image, you can go to the Stylizing tab and apply the style of your choice, like gold, silver, copper and many more just in a few clicks. Still not sure if you can handle this? No worries, inside you'll find a user guide that has links to 8 video tutorials that will guide you from start to finish. And that's not all. If you still have any questions, just hit me up on my profile page by filling the contact form and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. If you want to see more products from me, just subscribe to this channel and feel free to give a like to this video. The product details will be in the description. Bye! See you in the future videos.